Hello buddy, GameJacker here, and this is a short tutorial on how to fix this error right here in VirtualSpace. The free experience has expired. Please purchase. This is quite the annoying issue, but it's also quite simple to solve. So here is what you're gonna do. It's very simple. You get out of VirtualSpace, and here comes the genius part. You uninstall VirtualSpace. You download VirtualSpace again from the link in the description down below. You simply reinstall VirtualSpace on your device. Installation complete. You start it up. You add your apps again. Confirm. And then you will be able to use VirtualSpace again as normal, and use apps like HackerBot APK to find the best game cheats for Android games, including online games with no root required once again. Of course, if you want to support the creators of the app, then you can buy the pro version, but this is how I fixed the issue, and as you can see, it works. Anyways guys, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy hackerbot.net, enjoy VirtualSpace, enjoy running your apps with no root required, and I'll see you guys next time.